We're Bea and Simo, and it's now a couple of months since we started renovating our van, but just now things started getting a bit complicated. We have to admit that we're not following a plan while building Arthur, so it's kind of different from any other van, and today there's a perfect example. To lay the floor, we first need to do the bed, but to do the bed, we first need to lay the floor. You might think we're crazy, and you're right, but this is how we're doing it, so enjoy watching our crazy build. Just finished cleaning all the floor and taking all the dust because we will start applying the floor. So an update of what we have done, like the past couple of days has been raining a lot, but we managed still to do some work. We finally attached the kitchen, the closet, however we call it, that we have been working for so many weeks, I would say at least 2 months now. We finally did it, and in the meantime we also created these two sort of boxes that go on top of the wheel. So this is the wheel and it has been all insulated, so we created these boxes to keep the insulation inside but also to be able to put storage and things on top and behind it, close to it. So yeah, we did this one over here and also this one. So the next step before actually doing the bed, because our next step will be the bed, is now applying the floor. Because the fridge and the compost toilet will be on top of the floor. We're not applying the floor everywhere because one, it's weight, and two, it's nonsense.
Yeah, it's a waste of material.
As we have a good plywood on the storage, we won't apply the floor there. This is our floor. To get an idea, Simon's just putting it one close to the other.
Nice.
Wow! Wow! So this is, I actually like the contrast between this one and the closet. I really like it,
Yeah,
Simo.
I like it too.
Now we just need to understand, are there any instructions or things inside there?
I think you just need to click them together.
And that's it?
Yeah. I think it's
Like, won't they
pretty
move?
easy, you see?
Yeah, I know that. But
Yeah, I can feel the pressure.
if you want to, like, doesn't it move?
No, because there's like a grip underneath.
Yeah. Okay, I think that the time has arrived to explain why we bought this kind of floor.
This is an SPC floor.
Exactly. We decided to go with this one. For some of you, might not be the best because it's light, but together with the other pieces, it's not that light.
Yeah.
But we decided to go with this one instead of the vinyl because the vinyl, like, it's really light. It's the lightest,
Yeah.
but we don't like the feeling on our feet.
Yeah. It's too much like rubber.
It's, yeah, you feel the plastic a lot, and we love being barefoot, so we didn't like the feeling. It was the last one that we had on the previous conversion of this van, so we decided to go with something that was similar to wood, but also waterproof and Nala's nails
Scratch proof. Yeah.
So
also because this one has a texture of the wood that you can still feel with your.
It seems like
with
wood.
your foot.
Yeah, and it's thin. It's the thinnest that we have found, and it has this sort of grip underneath. That now we will test it and see if it actually works. We're just looking which of these ones are our favorite, as we want to put on visible, our favorite.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
I like this
I
one.
think we have a winner.
Okay, so we'll start with this one.
Yes.
we were putting all our energies and good intentions into choosing the most beautiful layout, but we then realized this wasn't the right way to lay the floor.
Oh, damn it. The situation is that to put all this one up until the end, we need to have the structure of the bed, because the structure of the bed over here signs the end of the flooring. But to have this one here, we need to have the floor here, because this one dictates the height, and we don't want to put the structure then discover that the height is wrong. So we want to put the floor up until this point, create the structure of the bed, and the structure of the bed continues, arrives until this point, and then finish the floor. But now we just thought that to continue putting the floor, we need to first fill these empty spaces.
Yeah, like one line, two lines.
Exactly, up until the end. We cannot do like pieces and then fill out the lines. We have to do all the lines at once.
Yeah.
Just a brief interruption. Have you noticed Nala? Okay, back at the bed.
Bed is done, you said?
We're starting with the first part of the bed. So, as it's kind of complicated, because we love complicating our lives, you need to know this.
We don't like easy stuff.
So, we're starting, like, the bed will go as a shape, L shape on top here. So, because we need to adapt it here and do the back part and then apply the floor, etc, 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 we're starting here by doing this part.
Yeah.
And then all this first part here, and then moving forward. And just for you to know, we are doing an L shape with like this part here that you can pull out and it becomes a bed. So
Hey, hey.
this one will go here. It's the first piece of our bed that is completely done. It will be here.
Love it.
Yeah. Now there will be this one that will be here attached, and then we need to do this part here, but we can start by doing that part there, because when we did that part there, we can do the floor.
This is so exciting.
Yes. So this one is ready. This one is ready. That one is ready, but to attach that one, we first need to put the floor. So we will start now by attaching this one, and the floor is officially going in.
Today.
Yeah. So then our aim for today is to complete it, finish it, at least all the
structure of the bed.
I was saying the skeleton.
Skeleton.
I think it's the same thing, just maybe not in English. All right.
All right.
But we realized that we had to add a corner on the floor before attaching the bed, so that's what we did. All the corners we're going to use are from the previous conversion we had on Arthur. We just had to cut to adapt them.
Find the difference.
I love body painting. Maybe not with this paint, but kind of a way to test it. I can't even. I love it. Can I say like this?
Yeah.
That's it. We just need to stabilize this. Okay, so the next part is this one. We need to first stabilize this leg in contact with the base that we just attached, and then with some L shape things we need to attach these legs on the floor. And we didn't do the bottom part just because this will be our storage and we want it to be completely open to be able to pull out things. Alright, so we attached that corner over there. Simo, can you show them that it is actually attached? Well, it doesn't seem so stable right now, just because we need to attach that corner over there. And then the thing that we're going to do now is finally building this part here. That will be the corner of our L shape. And this will allow us to attach the floor. Woo, woo. Yes. It's so beautiful that actually you can already imagine the height of the bed and also all the storage. Like, we've never had so much storage, Simo. Wow.
And it will be a high bed.
It will be a high bed, but
It's
like
not a
I don't
negative
mind.
thing. I
Okay.
said like a normal thing.
Yeah, a
Will be a
normal
nice bed.
thing. And also I like it because we will storage like all our camping stuff and hiking things like boots and tent and all our things, and it's actually quite pretty tall. It's 51 centimeters, so it's
51 centimeter.
you can fit so much in 51
Yeah.
centimeters.
Yeah.
You want to fit inside there too. And look at it from here. There is the fan going because it's boiling and there is kind of a mess, but you can already see it coming together with the bed. Oh my gosh! Ovviamente it's a little bit higher because you need to put the floor.
Yeah.
But it's here. Voila. Voila, 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 voila. Voila.
Now that we did the first part of the bed, we can continue laying the floor.
I need to maybe fold it the other
Yeah.
way.
Yes. Cut it.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We have the piece of floor that we need. Push down.
Okay.
Okay. Last visible piece is going in. Oh.
It has been quite a job to cut it to the right shape.
I'm thankful that you cannot smell me in this moment. I really need a shower with all my dresses and wow, working under the sun is really difficult.
Well,
So I really hope that you are looking at this vlog, that if you are converting a van, you are doing it inside somewhere that you are repaired from the sun.
yeah.
From the June, July sun. But it went in, Simo,
Yep.
and it's done.
Perfect.
So now we just need to put, we didn't do it up until the border because there will be an angle that is going along here, and also because it says to leave it like 5 millimeters because it might expand a little bit. So that's it.
For today, I would say that's it.
Next week we'll continue building the bed, and it will literally transform the atmosphere in here. So thank you for watching and being here with us. If you are enjoying our van build series, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our crazy DIY van build.
Now let's testing the floor.
Yeah.
Look at her front paws. Do you like the floor?
Yeah.